Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at the 2026 Ampere Nexus, finished in a premium matte metallic teal with black accents. A modern electric scooter built for riders who want smooth performance and everyday practicality in one package. The scooter comes with an efficient electric motor, paired with a reliable battery setup that delivers smooth and silent performance. In city conditions, it feels responsive and easy to control, making daily riding stress-free. The top speed is expected to be around 70 to 80 km/h, which is suitable for urban commuting. When it comes to range, the Ampere Nexus focuses on efficiency. In real-world usage, it can deliver around 100 to 130 kilometers on a single charge depending on riding style. Charging time is practical for overnight use, making it convenient for daily riders. Design-wise, the scooter features a clean and modern look. The matte metallic teal finish with black accents gives it a premium feel, while the smooth body panels maintain a simple yet attractive design. Comfort is well balanced with a wide seat and relaxed riding posture. It feels light and easy to handle in traffic, making it suitable for both beginners and regular riders. On the positive side, it offers smooth performance, good efficiency, comfortable ride quality, and a modern design. However, it may feel underpowered for some riders. The top speed is limited, and it lacks advanced smart features. The expected price falls in the mid-range category, making it a value-focused option. If you want a reliable, low-maintenance scooter for daily commuting, this is a solid choice.